today is the 17th of June, Saturday, almost 8:30 a.m. and today I'm gonna go to a place called Rainbow Village. It's a beautiful, colorful corner or a district full with wall art and painting. I really like those places that the creativity is spilled out of them. It can be a gallery, exhibition, or just a street art, just like that. The reason I'm with a jacket because those rooms are freezing. So weird because Taiwan is a pretty warm, like 28 degrees country, and always in the rooms they are freezing. Even when I turn off the aircon, the shared aircon of the floor, it still managed to freeze me out. So yeah, I'm with the jacket. So I'm gonna have breakfast first, and I think then I'm gonna head out. It's like 1 hour ride on the bus. For breakfast I have those leftover donuts I ate yesterday. They also have breakfast at the hotel that I'm gonna check out later, but I think it's only porridge and bread with jam, so we'll see. Okay, and I'll see you out. So that's the breakfast. My 2 F donuts, one with chocolate, one with strawberry. Itadakimasu. Okay guys, so this is my outfit for today. I have this white knitted dress that my grandma got me, my button shoes, blue jacket, because as I said, it's very cold in those rooms, my ducky ring, which I love, it's so cute, and I got the rainbow tree or crystals earrings. Okay, let's head out. Bye, Ron. Let's see the view in the morning. I got on the bus right on time. I had to run. Okay, so we're almost there. Like 3 more stations. Here guys, you can guess by this colorful bench. Now let's see where the entrance, I'm guessing from there. So look, just here in the middle of the city, this looks so gray and brown. So we have the Rainbow Village. Oh wow, I really love how colorful it is. No matter where you look, there are some really adorable paintings. They look like they're handmade. So cute! Oh wow, I really like those kind of places. They make me happy. Look, it looks like a little blue devil dancing with a koala. And I think this is an armadillo. I think people can leave notes here. Oh, and that's so pretty. This looks like it's knitted. Kind of match my dress. So let's see some of the painting. I think some of them has been washed from the rain. So you see the colors have been removed. It does need a protective plastic. A lot of painting with rainbows. Interesting expression. Wow, some of them have a lot of details. And I think that used to be Wonder Woman. Oh, and a cat. That's new. Flowers so colorful and shiny. Make you feel like dancing. So here we have an armadillo eating a ramen soup that the cat made him. And here we have all kinds of animals dancing and singing. With their alien friends. Off my side. It's good for something. You can take a paper from here, and you also have markers.
Take me in your arms. I that day I live in a dream.
Okay guys, so I'm done my cute little drawing of a koala flying in on a rainbow. Now let's go and read there. Got a little clip. Okay, I think I can tie it right here. Oh, but I want to tie it like this. And now I see you can only hang it like this. Let's see how we're gonna do it. Okay, here we go. I kind of improvise. I tie it here and I use this hanger to hold it so it stays horizontal. But I'm special. I'm the only one who made it horizontal. Now it's sitting with all of his friends on the wall. Ah. I think it's a penguin, not sure. A lot of cats here. Look like the cat run in a shop. And another armadillo. You can see some animals that I keep repeating. This kind of look like a flying dolphin. And here on this side, we have a girl sitting at the edge of the galaxy with the dog there and our green alien friend. You can see even the roof is colorful. Let's see where it keeps going. Oh, that's so pretty. I like that they left the trees so they just build a big hole around them. This is the knitting area. So cool. And the floors look like a huge candy land. Thought it's gonna be bigger, but it is a cute and colorful little spot in the city. Oh, this one is also cute. It's holding a brush and the color just spreading out. And here we have more knitting. I wonder what he's holding. Now I see you can also go here. Doesn't seem like it's still in progress. You see, not all everything is still painted and the walls are quite gray. That's another exit. We have a chicken there. She's a friend with a worm. And we have a cat monkey. Maybe a goat with an arm. A unigoat. And a red horsey. And a worm. And an interesting kind of dragon. It's a bunny person. Another sheep cat. And a cow. And here we have panda cat with a lamp. Oh, it looks like a game. Also a painting of a hidden cow right there in the corner. She has a body on her head. And I think there is two people there. Let's go look. Oh, there is people and a baby there. This one is the secret gem, because not everybody's here. Oh, and I see a doggy, a black doggy there. It's good, you need to balance all the cats. So that is the entrance for the kids' playground. It's a rainbow house with a slide and stairs. I think they have some imaginary friends because those ones were completely washed out. I think it used to be a bunny and maybe a puppy and a chicken frog, and they playing some weird kind of ball. Look, they have some doggies there. It's a Labrador. I didn't saw Labrador that often. I only saw poodles, so it's kind of rare sight. Hey guys, that was the Rainbow Village. It was a bit smaller than I thought, but it was still very nice, like a little gem in the middle of the city. We have this beautiful, creative place with so much color. It's really a nice spot to visit and I do recommend. So cute, he really wants pets. He's dragging his owner to the guy so he pet him more. Oh my god. Yeah, the doggy got himself quite a crowd. It's like an attraction here because there are not that many dogs in Taiwan, especially not Labradors. And this one really seems to like the attention. Okay, now that I finished with the Rainbow Village, I'm gonna explore a bit. I think they have a market like 6 minutes. What a pretty path. So on one side you have flowers and on the other side you have this little river. You have roses and it's all just here in the middle of the city. Look, another stray cat. And here they have mango tree, and you can see some mangoes that fall from the tree. Hello kitty. So I arrived to the fruit market And they have so many fruits here. Wonder what this is. So I guess that's what's in season right now. I was looking for a sugar apple and I couldn't find. They also have clothes on this side. Wow, look at the size of those watermelons. And they have white and yellow corn. So I stopped at this big pet store just to get refreshed from the aircon, and I see they sell all kind of hamster and bunny food. This one is so cute. I don't think you should have this one as a pet, but the cookies are cute. Let's see if I'm gonna find something for Lana. I think it's either a cat or a very small dog. Clothes. Oh, bananas. That's a cool cat house. Air dryer for dogs. Oh, a little raincoat for a dog. Oh, they have a unicorn. And the Cookie Monster. Oh, they also have bandanas. The bandanas are cute. Maybe I'll bring her a bandana. I also have those one. And you just need to put a collar here. Okay, so I picked those two bandanas. One for Lana, one for Hector. So now we need to take bus 72 from this station. This is the most comfortable bus chair I sat on. Let's hope it comes soon because it gets quite warm. Hey, it took it like 40 minutes, but I see my bus 72 right there. And that was the store where I bought the dog bandana. Hey guys, so time right now is 12 p.m. and I'm heading to a fully vegan restaurant called Vegfarm, like 5 minutes away. Okay, so we're here. I'm heading to a fully vegan restaurant called Vegfarm, which is here on the right. Okay, so we're here at the restaurant. Look how cute. They have a little drinking corner with water in 3 different flavors. I think it's cucumber, orange. Is that a carrot? So to get a drink, you take a cup from here and take it like that. It's nice. Have a slight flavor of a pineapple, like pineapple water. Okay, so this is the menu, and let me show you what I pick. I think I picked a lot of food, but oh well. So I took the set B that comes with the soup, salad, drink, and dessert. I also took this one, the teriyaki tempeh with spiced rice. And for drink, I took this one, the blueberry cashew smoothie. They have so many good stuff. So they have popcorns and soy milk. That restaurant is big. That's the second floor. Food has arrived. Look how cute, they have a small basket for the bag. So my food has arrived. I have here the soup, yellow soup, and I have here the salad. By the way, this all meal cost 560 Taiwanese dollar, which is like 56 shekels. Not much for that much of food. Let's begin. Tadakimasu. Nice background behind. So this is the corn soup. This is delicious. It's warm and sweet. A nice thickness. Okay, so let's continue the vegan food review. For starter, I took their corn soup and the salad. As I mentioned before, the corn soup was delicious. The salad was made out of fresh veggies like cherry tomato, lettuce, and quinoa in the dressing of a vinegar sauce. It was simple yet tasty. Okay, so here we go, the main dish. It's a teriyaki in a tempeh sauce. I see rice, I see quinoa, some seaweed. They do like seaweed here. Those look like little crunchy nuts, and I think it's zucchini and yellow gamba. And also just arrived the blueberry smoothie. It's so big. Look, it's almost falling down. As for the main meal, I took the tempeh in teriyaki sauce. Usually I'm not a big fan of tempeh, but I know it's really healthy for you and I decided to give it a chance. The dish was beautiful and big, it came with plenty of colors from the veggies and it was satisfying both for the eyes and for the mouth. As for the tempeh, it has a dense texture, like a thick hard schnitzel, but it soaked the flavor very well and I really like it. The rice on the other end could add a bit more flavor, so I add some salt to it. I just noticed a small piece of lion mushroom. It's funny, they're so rare in Israel but so common here and they're so good, they have the texture of a chicken. I just want to say again how fun it is to find a fully vegan restaurant. This restaurant was cute and cozy. All of their dish was so aesthetically pleasing, and I also like the little touch that they offer water in flavors, so I'm gonna give this restaurant 9.5. That's a cool window store, or not a window store, window presentation. At first I thought there is a real man climbing. Okay, so the time right now is 1 p.m. I'm quite full, so I'm gonna take a break at the hotel and probably head out back again at the evening to the night market. I want to see Taichung night market. So, bye for now. Just need to catch a bus to my hotel.